Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make stickers see-through on CapCut PC. So I am just going to select stickers here and find stickers that I want to make see-through. Let's see which one I want to make see-through. For instance, this new one, I'm just going to add it to the frame here. I'm just going to add in a few actually. So going to add this one. Actually, I'm going to add this one to it here. Oh, it's a donut. And maybe one more, or not. Okay, maybe this one too. Okay, so we got 3 stickers here. I'm just going to sort it out like this. And to make these stickers transparent, like see-through, go to media, go to library, and add in this transparent why do I say background? Transparent background. And add it to your timeline. Select all, right click, and select create compound clip. Add it on top like this, and add a video. I'm just going to select this one to show you guys. And on this compound clip, you're just going to adjust the opacity here to make the stickers see through. You can also choose overlay for that, but it's kind of weird, so just do it normal and adjust the opacity like so. And that is it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!